magnitude earthquake shook Canterbury and the Timbale station, sending its chimneys crashing through the roof to the floor below. So that's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like now. Life in the castle. Flip the pages. Please return pages to closed position after reading. Bob Parker outside the main door when he leased the Timble residence, 2003, Heritage New Zealand, Pohere Taonga. Member of the armed forces lived in the building between 1942 and 1943 during World War II, after which various Lyttelton Harbour Board employees were accommodated here. By the 1960s, the building was falling into a disrepair and was left vacant. Black moss even grew in the interior walls. Thanks to the dedication of over 200 local enthusiasts, the Lyttelton Maritime Association was formed in 1969, and the significant nautical Timble was saved and restored. In 1973, the association gifted the Timble station to the New Zealand Historic Places Trust, now Heritage New Zealand Pohere Taonga, which continued to build on the restoration and conservation work required. Therefore, a number of other people lived at the Timble station, the last being Bob Parker, the mayor of Banks Peninsula, during the early 2000s. At this time, part of the building was still being leased as a residence. Bob had heard rumours that the place may have been haunted, and during his residency stated, "I hear the odd bumps and thuds, but I don't think it's a phantom. Signalman, it's just those noises you get in old buildings." Many residents who expected life in the little castle signed their names on the zinc coating of the original Timble. The names date back to the 1900s. Lyttelton's nautical landmark was designed by Canterbury's provincial architect Thomas Kane, who hailed from Brighton in England. Appointed to his post in August 1875, he completed his drawings for the Timble station building by November of that year. This is where the fireplace stood. Possibly two fireplaces, or possibly this end was the kitchen. This end was possibly one of the rooms downstairs. And this was possibly the main entrance. I'm guessing stairs here of some sort. Or some sort of staircase spiraling up to the first, and another spiral to the third, and then maybe a staircase up the top there. Let's have a look see. That.